Since its release on February 15, 2024, Sora, the video generator by OpenAI, has been the subject of intense scrutiny and exploration. Despite the initial hype surrounding its launch, there's much more to uncover beyond the surface. In my quest to understand its capabilities, I've delved deep into various resources, from technical reports to YouTube videos, and even spent countless hours scouring Twitter for insights and discussions. In fact, I've been so obsessed with this pursuit that I haven't even stepped foot outside my apartment. From the obscure functionalities to the unexpected potentials, Sora's true capabilities are gradually coming to light. Let's dive into the realm of audio in the context of Sora, the video generator by OpenAI. While Sora's primary function is video generation, it's crucial to address the absence of audio in its output. Many have rightfully pointed out that in filmmaking, audio plays a significant role, often comprising 50% of the overall experience. From actors' voices to ambient sound effects and background noise, audio adds layers of depth and immersion to visual storytelling. Interestingly, 11 labs responded to the Sora release by unveiling a new sound generator capable of creating entire soundscapes from text prompts. This development opens up possibilities for integrating audio seamlessly into Sora-generated videos. Imagine a scenario where Sora is paired with this audio generator, enabling the creation of fully immersive audio-visual experiences. While traditional sound design could achieve similar results, the synergy of Sora and an AI-driven sound generator streamlines the process, particularly for solo creators or those with limited resources. Furthermore, advancements in AI technology, such as Sun AI's ability to generate full songs with lyrics, underscore the potential for AI-driven audio production. With AI-powered tools capable of creating background music, sound effects, and even synthetic voices indistinguishable from human speech, the audiovisual production landscape is rapidly evolving. It's not a matter of if, but when, AI-driven audiovisual generators become commonplace, ushering in a new era of content creation. Transitioning to the capabilities of Sora, it's essential to distinguish between cost reduction and genuinely innovative features. While Sora undeniably lowers the barriers to producing high-quality video content, there are aspects that represent genuine advancements rather than mere cost-saving measures. Let's delve into these groundbreaking capabilities that redefine the landscape of content creation. Let's explore some of the genuinely innovative features introduced by Sora. One such feature is the ability to extend videos, a capability outlined in a technical paper. The paper provides an illustrative example involving a San Francisco subway car. In the demonstration, the same clip is presented 3 times, but with slight variations. By extending the beginning of the clip, Sora generates unique video content each time, seamlessly transitioning into the subway car scene. This functionality represents a significant leap forward, as it enables the generation of dynamic video content from scratch, a feat previously unattainable. While one could argue that similar results could be achieved through 3D recreation and meticulous frame editing, the simplicity and accessibility of Sora's approach are unmatched. It's foreseeable that such video extension capabilities will become standard features in editing software, revolutionizing content creation processes. Imagine being able to transform static images, like old family photos, into dynamic video sequences effortlessly. While the prospect may seem daunting, it's an inevitable evolution in the realm of visual storytelling. As technology continues to advance, mainstream platforms like Instagram may eventually incorporate similar features, allowing users to breathe new life into their photographs by seamlessly transforming them into extended video narratives. In addition to video extension, another groundbreaking feature of Sora is its capability to loop videos seamlessly, a function that was previously unattainable in its current form. By providing a video clip, Sora generates additional frames that seamlessly facilitate looping, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. This innovation opens doors to new forms of online entertainment, potentially leading to the emergence of a modern-day Rickrolling phenomenon, where viewers may be unknowingly subjected to looping clips indefinitely. While videographers have previously explored techniques for seamless transitions between scenes, such as the popular trend of visual trickery, the ability to generate new frames for indefinite looping represents a significant advancement. This feature not only simplifies the creation process, but also expands creative possibilities, empowering creators to craft captivating narratives effortlessly. Moreover, Sora's introduction heralds a new era of cost reduction in content production. With its subscription pricing model reminiscent of the GPT+ plan, Sora democratizes access to advanced imaging and video manipulation capabilities. One particularly notable aspect is Sora's ability to transform images into videos, a task previously requiring extensive time and skill. This feature significantly lowers the barrier to entry for high-quality videography, enabling solo creators and small crews to produce compelling content with ease. Consider, for example, the process of morphing a drone image into a butterfly animation. While achievable with traditional methods such as manual rotoscoping and animation, the labor-intensive nature of these tasks often renders them impractical for solo creators. However, with Sora, such complex animations can be accomplished swiftly and efficiently, revolutionizing the possibilities for one-person productions. In essence, Sora's innovations not only reduce costs, but also democratize access to advanced video editing and animation tools, making previously unthinkable creative endeavors attainable for creators of all levels. Let's delve into the aspect of editability in AI-generated videos, a crucial consideration highlighted by Owen Fern on Twitter. Fern raises a valid concern regarding the feasibility of accommodating client feedback in the post-production phase, a common occurrence in various creative industries. While Sora's capabilities are undeniably impressive, the inability to make minor adjustments to specific details within a scene poses a challenge for addressing client revisions effectively. However, recent developments in AI video editing tools offer promising solutions to this issue. One notable example is the multi-motion brush tool introduced by Runway ML, allowing users to animate specific parts of a video using multiple brushes. Although primarily designed for animation, similar functionalities exist in other AI image generators, such as inpainting, which enables users to edit specific elements within an image seamlessly. The application of these tools to video editing is imminent, as evidenced by ongoing research efforts in the field. For instance, a recent research paper by Dan, the creator of TikTok, introduces the concept of Boxer, a tool that enables detailed control over various elements within a scene by drawing different boxes. This granular level of control, combined with in-painting and similar AI-driven editing techniques, foreshadows a future where AI-generated videos can be edited with precision, even down to minute details. Moreover, advancements in prompt engineering for language-based models offer additional avenues for enhancing editability in AI-generated content. By providing detailed prompts, users can exert greater control over the output, ensuring that client feedback is incorporated effectively. Additionally, tools like Midjourney's character tool, designed to maintain character consistency across scenes, further enhance the editability and customization potential of AI-generated videos. While these developments may take time to fully materialize, the convergence of AI image editing capabilities and video editing tools suggests a promising future where AI-generated videos are not only impressive, but also highly editable and responsive to client feedback. With continued research and innovation, AI-driven video production is poised to become increasingly adaptable and production-ready in the near future. An unexpected revelation in the realm of AI-generated content is the ability to prompt entire stories into existence from a single text prompt. Bill P.E. from the OpenAI team demonstrated this capability by generating a story involving two dogs walking through NYC, interacting with various elements of the urban landscape. This example showcases the remarkable contextual understanding achieved by AI models like Sora, which can extrapolate detailed narratives from relatively concise prompts. The potential for expanding on these narratives is immense. By adding additional details to the initial prompt, users can influence the development and complexity of the generated story. Moreover, advancements in AI-driven animation techniques such as mouth manipulation for multilingual speech enhance the realism and immersion of generated scenes. One particularly noteworthy aspect is the ability to create long, uninterrupted shots akin to those seen in cinematic masterpieces like Dunkirk, where the entire movie unfolds seamlessly in a single take. Sora's capability to seamlessly stitch together scenes opens up new possibilities for storytelling, surpassing initial expectations regarding its capabilities. While the example provided may seem like a mere mock-up, it prompts contemplation on the future trajectory of AI-generated content creation. With sufficient computational resources, the prospect of generating entire movies or shows from a simple text prompt becomes increasingly feasible. So, examining the overall timeline of Sora's development offers valuable insights into its current capabilities and future potential. Drawing parallels with the evolution of language models like GPT, it's evident that Sora occupies a transitional phase akin to GPT-3 in the timeline of AI video models. Just as GPT-3 marked a significant advancement in natural language processing, Sora represents a leap forward in AI-generated video content, albeit with room for further refinement and enhancement. Comparisons to stable diffusion models highlight Sora's position on the timeline, suggesting that it currently aligns with the capabilities of earlier language models, such as GPT-2. However, the striking similarity between Sora's outputs and those generated by Mid-Journey, a more advanced AI image generator, underscores the rapid progress of AI video technology. This acceleration in development effectively fast-forwards us by several years, bypassing the incremental advancements typical of AI evolution. While Sora may not yet possess the full spectrum of features and capabilities envisioned for AI video models, such as comprehensive editability and audio generation, the pace of development suggests that these milestones are within reach. With each iteration and refinement, Sora edges closer to achieving a level of sophistication akin to the futuristic depictions seen in films like The Matrix. As we contemplate the trajectory of AI development, it's clear that the boundaries between reality and simulation are becoming increasingly blurred. While the prospect of reaching a matrix like reality may seem distant, the rapid pace of technological advancement suggests that it may well occur within our lifetime. Thus, as we navigate the frontier of AI innovation, the question of when we'll reach the matrix becomes less a matter of if and more a matter of when. The advent of AI video generation heralds a significant transformation in the landscape of content creation, particularly concerning the role of stock footage. As someone who has been involved in selling stock footage for almost a decade, I recognize the seismic shift that Sora and similar AI models bring to the industry. The days of paying exorbitant prices for stock clips may soon be numbered, as the ability to generate custom footage from a single text prompt revolutionizes the production process. Consider the implications for video creators, especially those working independently or with small teams. With AI-driven tools like Sora, generating entire video libraries tailored to specific projects becomes not just feasible, but cost-effective. Traditionally, creators relied on separate sources for A-roll, primary footage, and B-roll, supplementary footage, often navigating complex licensing agreements and disparate collections. However, with AI-generated footage, the distinction between A-roll and B-roll blurs, as creators can seamlessly integrate custom visuals into their projects without the hassle of sourcing from multiple sources. Moreover, the versatility of AI-generated footage extends beyond mere replication of existing content. With the ability to prompt new scenes into existence, creators can imagine and realize visuals that were previously out of reach. Whether it's recreating real-world environments or crafting entirely fictional landscapes, the creative possibilities are virtually limitless. Furthermore, AI-driven enhancements, such as upscaling and formatting options, ensure that generated footage meets professional standards. The prospect of creating high-quality B-roll from smartphone photos or text prompts opens doors for creators of all levels, democratizing access to sophisticated production tools. Looking ahead, the trajectory of AI development raises intriguing questions about the future of video creation. Will AI eventually take on scriptwriting and editing tasks based on learned patterns from existing content? While some aspects of video production may remain inherently human-driven, the integration of AI technologies undoubtedly reshapes the creative process, offering unprecedented efficiency and flexibility. In essence, the death of stock footage as we know it heralds a new era of video production, where customization and creativity are paramount. As AI continues to advance, the boundaries between reality and imagination blur, ushering in a transformative era for content creators worldwide. The implications of AI video generation are far-reaching, extending even into the realm of 3D world generation. Described as a world simulator in the technical paper, the capabilities demonstrated by Sora are nothing short of astounding. Scenes unfold with temporal consistency, depicting bustling environments populated by characters engaging in various activities. But what's truly groundbreaking is the potential application of this technology in GAN splatting. GAN splatting essentially transforms videos into 3D models, as demonstrated by Man of Vision's recreation of a drone clip using Unity, a real-time game engine. The process involves parallaxing around the subject to capture it from different angles, resulting in a dynamic 3D representation. This approach drastically reduces production costs, as environments can be generated digitally, with human actors filmed against green screens. Furthermore, Sora's capabilities extend to recreating virtual worlds with astonishing accuracy. By including the word Minecraft in the prompt, Sora was able to generate scenes reminiscent of the iconic game. This raises intriguing possibilities for the future, as AI continues to evolve and refine its understanding of virtual environments. However, it's essential to acknowledge the human element in the creative process. While AI can handle many aspects of production, from script writing to environment generation, human oversight remains crucial for ensuring character consistency and aligning with the creative vision. So, we went through a lot of things. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to learn something new, make sure you click on the video on your screen right now. I'll be there waiting. Go on, click it. What are you waiting for? Click it!